नमस्कार, आदाब। क्राइम पेट्रोल दस्तक के एक नए एपिसोड में मैं नीलम सोनी आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। ये है शहर की सबसे बड़ी और जाने मानी बिजनेस वुमेन, दैट इज ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिखा कपूर। यूनिवर्सिटी हमारे एपिसोड में इस सैमसन। तो आज हम आपको हमारे एपिसोड के द्वारा बताएंगे कि ये अरेस्ट क्यों हुई।
शहरतों के ताज है ये दौलतें जो आज है, सब कुछ यहाँ एक राज है, हाँ राज है। खुद पे मुझे जो नाज है, ये जो नया अंदाज है, सब कुछ यहाँ एक राज है, हाँ राज है।
एप्पल ईट्स 1 मिलियन बाइट ऑफ सैमसंग। ऐसे क्यों कहा जा रहा है? ये आज के हेडलाइंस क्यों बनते जा रहे हैं? ये आप नहीं जानते, लेकिन हम आपको हमारे ये एपिसोड के द्वारा बताएंगे। आइए देखते हैं हमारा ये क्राइम पेट्रोल दस्तक का नया एपिसोड।
Good morning, Blueberry. How may I help you? Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good morning. Conference room in 5. Jacqueline, ma'am wants everyone for a meeting in 5. Please be quick. It will be urgent.
Ladies, I'm planning to come up with a new product for our company. I think it should have some good and unique features so that it increases the efficiency and convenience. It is convenient for all of us. So, may I have your opinions?
We can have a messenger which connects people having cell phones of our company.
Yes, that can be a good feature.
We can introduce 4G features in our phone.
And we can even have a feature that can sense human movement.
Yes, that can be a good features, to launch a new product in the market. So, let us try and work according to our plans. Okay, so that's all I wanted to discuss with you all in the conference.
When is the launch of the product?
According to me, I think the new year will be the best time to launch our product because it's a new year and we are coming up with a new product that has got really excellent features. So how about 1st of January 2013?
That's a good idea.
So that's all with the meeting and thank you.
So, and the last thing is that give me the registered vehicle so that I can register in the hours.
Yes, sure. I'll get it to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hello? Yeah, can I just have a board meeting? Yeah, in 10 minutes. Yeah, please inform everyone. Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Can we come in? Yeah, come in. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
So today we are here to discuss something very important. As you all know, our market rate has gone very down. Our company is nowhere. Our products are not doing so great or good, something like what other companies are doing. So we really need to do something great as other companies. We really need to use our brains and into the things what we are doing right now and make it better so that our company lands somewhere as we are nowhere now. So can you please suggest me something? Ma'am,
So, ma'am, what about a 5 or an 8 megapixel camera as a feature?
what did you just say? 5 or 8 megapixel camera? You know what are you talking? Oh, you're just saying whatever comes to your mind. You should know that 5 and 8 megapixel camera, every phone has it, every mobile. Or it was in an earlier model also. Right now I'm talking something new, what is not there in the market. So use your brain and accordingly talk. Okay?
So, ma'am, we can put a Skype or a Facebook as a feature.
Miss Natasha, what stupid ideas are you giving? Are you thinking before saying something? The Skype and all. Again, we have it in an earlier model also. We have some nice ideas. Yeah, I told you, I made it clear that it should be something that we never had.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
It's okay.
Ma'am, Why not try using the blueberry features? They are setting a trend in the market right now.
What kind of crappy ideas are you giving me? We are here to discuss something new, not copy anyone. I just want something better from you and not just give me all these fake ideas. Leave you people are not good for nothing. Just leave my cabin fast. I don't want to see anyone's faces. And remember, those who give me a better idea or a good idea, I'm going to reward the person very nicely. You'll be honored nicely in the company. So just go and give me a better idea by tomorrow. Leave. What kind of douchebags are these? Hopeless.
ओह, मिस शिखा कपूर, तो वो तुम ही हो ना जिसका प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में चल नहीं रहा?
मेरा चल नहीं रहा है तो क्या हुआ? जैसे कि तेरा तो बहुत चल रहा है।
ऑब्वियसली चल रहा है।
एक टाइम पे तू भी बहुत ज्यादा फ्लॉपी हुआ करती।
एक्सक्यूज मी,
एक्सक्यूज मी कुछ नहीं, देख लेना कल मैं तेरी कंपनी को टेक ओवर करके ही रहूंगी। हाँ हेलो, क्या your idea of copying the patents from your blueberry company was just perfect. Yeah, now how you get me the patents will just depend upon you. Get me the patents and I'll pay you very highly. Yeah. By day after tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you.
ये वो कौन सा शख्स था जिसे शिखा कपूर ने कॉल किया? ये वो कौन सा इंसान है जो शिखा कपूर को पेटेंट्स लाके देने वाला है? आइए देखते हैं।
Yes.
Hello, good evening. I'm income tax officer.
Have a seat.
Please give me your file. आपका मार्केट में
मार्केट में तो आपके प्रोडक्ट के टर्नओवर ज़्यादा बता रहे हैं, लेकिन आप यहाँ पे लॉस दिखा रहे हैं बैलेंस शीट में।
अरे मार्केट में जो होते हैं वो मीडिया वाले कैसे होते हैं आपको पता है ना, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं वो लोग। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जितना है वही मैंने दिखाया है प्रॉफिट ये बैलेंस शीट में।
नहीं मैम, ये कुछ गलत लग रहा है।
आप बराबर देख सकते हैं, मैंने मार्केट मीडिया वाले तो ऐसे ही बोलते रहते हैं, आप देखो ना।
तो सर कॉफ़ी लेंगे?
पानी वाटर
कॉफ़ी? थैंक यू मैम।
बैठ जाइए।
तो निकले सब?
हाँ निकल गया।
तो सब परफेक्ट है ना?
या मैम, थैंक यू।
मैंने बोला था परफेक्ट, आप मानने के लिए रेडी नहीं है।
मैम सॉरी मैम, थैंक यू फॉर कॉपरेशन।
थैंक यू।
सीआईडी वालों को फोन करके बताइए सर, उसके असली लिस्ट अपने हमारे पास है। सीआईडी वालों को मैं फोन करके बता रहा हूँ।
सीआईडी वालों को बता दो
या
ये अपना अपने पास है करके।
हेलो सीआईडी, या हम अभी मैम शिखा कपूर के घर के बाहर हैं। तो ये आप उनके घर पे जाके चेकिंग कर सकते हो। आई थिंक बैलेंस शीट नकली है और ओरिजिनल बैलेंस शीट हमारे पास है। सो प्लीज बी कोऑपरेट। थैंक यू।
You belong to me, I belong to you.
आप यहाँ क्यों आ रहे हो? I'm from Mumbai Talks and I need to see your place. अच्छा, but मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, आप क्यों आए हो? No, excuse me, what are you trying to do? Hello? Please get side, please get side. Hello, what are you trying to do? Please get side. कुछ नहीं यहाँ पे, कुछ नहीं है. Please. Oh shit. You are under arrest. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. हाथ मत लगाना. हाथ मत लगाना. छोड़ो, हाथ मत लगाना. You are under arrest.
ये क्या हो रहा है? My lord, I'm the prosecution lawyer Valina Francis, fighting this case for Jacqueline Oberoi, the owner of Blueberry Company.
My lord, I'm the defense lawyer Natasha Maheshwari, fighting the case for Mrs. Shikha Kapoor, owner of Universal Private Limited.
My lord, these are the patents and features of our company which Ms. Shikha Kapoor has copied in our product. Lord, can I please question Ms. Shikha Kapoor?
Permission granted.
Ms. Shikha Kapoor, please can I know what's your sales turnover?
It's about 200 crores.
And your property?
I have 8 properties in Mumbai.
And what do they include?
I object, my lord. Mrs. Valina is getting too personal with my client.
Objection overruled.
Thank you. Yeah, can I know what do they include?
4 bungalows, 3 cars, 1 apartment.
And where are your bungalows?
One's at Kulaba, one's at Bandra, and one's at Andheri.
Okay. As far as I have heard, I suppose your Bandra bungalow is said to be illegal.
Excuse me, all the properties are legal.
My lord, she is lying. I have evidence that these papers were false which she has registered. I would like to put them in front of you. My lord, I would like to bring to your notice that Ms. Shikha Kapoor has till date showing a false balance sheet. And I have its evidence of her credit card receipts. Her income, which she just stated, is being 200 crores, but her expenses in this has been shown up to 500 crores. Can I know where is she getting these extra cash from?
My lord, I object. She's diverting from the topic.
Coming back to the topic, I would like to tell you that she has stolen our patents. I can't even say copied. She has stolen it from us. So, can I just ask her something more?
You may.
Miss Shikha Kapoor, do you know who's Rebecca?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know Ritu?
No, I don't.
My lord, I would like to inform you that this lady is being lying since so long. Her employee Rebecca has bribed our company secretary, Ms. Ritu Khedwal, just for the patents.
It's not like that.
I have evidence proving this, that she has done it. I have this video with me.
rights of the Blueberry Private Limited. I have proof.
You all may have a seat, please. The session will be adjourned for an hour. Thank you. Okay, I have gone through the videos and the matter they have given to me, and I have come to this conclusion that she hasn't shown the correct balance sheet in income tax, plus the features have been copied, so she has to be given imprisonment for 14 years. Okay, this is my final session. Thank you.
केसेस हुए, ट्रायल्स हुए और आखिर शिखा कपूर को 14 साल की जेल हो गई। पर अभी तक ये एक चीज क्लियर नहीं थी कि वो कौन सा शख्स था जिसने अपनों की ही पीठ पीछे चूरा बोका था, जिसने जिस थाली में खाया उसी थाली में छेद किया था। आइए देखते हैं। एक बार तो हाथी को भी छुपाया जा सकता है, लेकिन सच छुपाए भी नहीं छुपता है। आखिर वो इंसान सामने आ ही गया था जिसने ये बड़ा गुनाह किया था। आजकल इंडियन कंपनीज में ज्यादातर फ्रॉड्स चल रहे हैं और हमारा उद्देश्य यही था कि आपको इस फ्रॉड्स के बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी दें। आपकी सहायता के लिए धन्यवाद। सुरक्षित रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए। जय हिंद।